How to log into Sephora credit card online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through logging into your Sephora credit card online account. So let's begin. First of all, you have to launch any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and type in Sephora credit card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Click on the Sephora credit card home link. You will be taken to the official website of Sephora, where you have to first click on sign in option highlighted in black color, and a login portal will appear. Enter your user ID and password correctly. Then check this box of remember me if you like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or the password, click on this link of forgot username or password, and you have to provide your account number or the username, your zip code or the postal code, your social security number or your social insurance number or the alternate identification. Then also enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and click on continue. And for the card activation, you have to provide primary card holder information such as the card account number, expiration date, and the social security number as well. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.